Hi! In this video tutorial, we will show you how to convert scanned PDF into searchable PDF using PDF.co in Make. We will use this scanned PDF document with unsearchable text as a sample source. To begin, let's start by creating a new scenario. Next, search and select the Google Drive app. Then, choose to download the file. In the Enter a File ID field, choose the Select from the list. In the File ID field, enter the specific folder where the file was stored. Now, add another module. Search and select the PDF.co app. Then, choose the Make an API Call module. Let's set up the Make an API Call configuration. For the API endpoint path field, type the endpoint /v1/pdf/make-searchable. For the input type field, select the upload files and inject as URL param. For the input file field, add the Google Drive, download the file. After setting up, click the Run button to see the result. Great! The scenario runs successfully. Kindly copy the URL and paste it into your browser to see the output. Here's what the searchable PDF output looks like. We can now highlight and search the text in PDF. For more tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.